Official, new and improved complete lineup ng San Miguel Beermen para sa 2024 PBA 49th Governors Cup. Point guards, Chris Ross. Team captain, playing coach, 6'1", 180 pounds, 39 years old, 2.8 points, 1.8 rebounds, 2 assists, 32% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Terrence Romeo, 6th-man player, 5'11", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 11.6 points, 1.8 rebounds, 3.4 assists, 19% 3-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Simon Enciso, 5'11", 185 pounds, 33 years old, 3.9 points, 0.7 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 45% 3-point shooter, 42 field goal percentage in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Rap Robin, rookie, PBA 49th-48 draft pick, 5'10", 152 pounds, 26 years old, 9.7 points, 2 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Chris Rosales, new player via free agency signing, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 3.3 points, 1.2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 22% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards, Jericho Cruz, star player, 6'1", 190 pounds, 34 years old, 13.1 points, 3 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 85% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Marshall Lassiter, veteran star, 6'2", 185 pounds, 37 years old, 11.4 points, 3.3 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 54% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Kit Jimenez, sophomore, 5'11", 165 pounds, 27 years old, 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal, 100% free throw shooter, 2 games played in his last PBA 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Evan Neva, rookie, PBA 49 12th draft pick, 6'2", 180 pounds, 24 years old, 3.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 27% 3-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Korean B-League averages. Small forwards, CJ Perez, star player, 6'2", 187 pounds, 31 years old, 21.2 points, 5.4 rebounds, 4 assists, 40% 3-point shooter, 73% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Don Troliano, 6'3", 160 pounds, 32 years old, 13.2 points, 5.4 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 51% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Jeron Teng, 6'2", 185 pounds, 30 years old, 3.5 points, 1 rebound, 0.6 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards, Toras Ugela, Governor's Cup import, 6'6", 220 pounds, 31 years old, 10.6 points, 4.3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 0.4 blocks, 36% three-point shooter, 73% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Lithuania BetSafe LKL season averages. Vic Manuel, 6'4", 231 pounds, 37 years old, 2.1 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.1 assists, 50 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Roy Malilin, sophomore, 6'4", 190 pounds, 24 years old, 2 points, 0.6 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 38 field goal percentage, 4.6 minutes per game in his last PBA 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Abdul Sawat, rookie, PBA 49-36 draft pick, 6'4", 201 pounds, 26 years old, 4.8 points, 3.1 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 0.6 steals, 38 field goal percentage, 58% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Ayon nga sa Reddit source na ito, ay all-in na nga daw ang SMB kay Troy Rosario pag siya ay naging unrestricted free agent na this PBA 49th season. At kung di nila siya ma-sign, ay susubukan naman nila siyang kuhanin via trade. Troy Rosario, 6'7", 198 pounds, 32 years old, 17.3 points, 7 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 37% three-point shooter, 72% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Centers, Junmar Fajardo, superstar player, 6'10", 268 pounds, 35 years old, 17.6 points, 14.2 rebounds, 1.3 blocks, 16% three-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Mo Tautua, 6'8", 245 pounds, 35 years old, 8.6 points, 5.3 rebounds, 0.6 blocks, 50% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Rodney Brondial, 6'5", 210 pounds, 34 years old, 4 points, 4.3 rebounds, 1 assist, 50% three-point shooter, 14% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ito ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng San Miguel Beermen para sa 2024 PBA 49th Governor's Cup. Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, makakabawi na kaya ang SMB this conference upang makapag-championship muli sa PBA? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.